drip right here?
Mr. Simpson,
Yeah.
would you
Didn't you use a razor?
So?
But did you use a faucet?
Yeah.
Why didn't you turn it off?
I did turn it off.
Well, if you turned it off, then why am I listening to it?
Did it ever occur to you that it could get turned off and drip at the same time?
No, because if you turned it off, it wouldn't drip.
Maybe it's broken.
Is that what you're saying is broken?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's broken.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Maybe you didn't twist it hard enough.
I twisted it just right.
How could you be so sure?
Well, if you see in this particular manual, you will see that the faucet requires. I rarely twisted the amount allowed for torque.
How can you be so sure you use 16 pounds of torque?
Because I use a Craftsman Model 1019 Laboratory Edition Signature Series torque wrench, the one used by Caltech engineers and astronauts.
In that case, how can you be so sure that's accurate?
Split second before the torch wrench was applied to the faucet, members of the state and federal departments of weights and measures to be dead on balls accurate. Here's a certificate of vandalization.
Dead on balls accurate?
It's an industry term.
Well, I guess the fucking thing is broken.